Right, for some reason the lights are on in here, however the video is just making it really dark. But I've got this to show you, just a quick before section before I go and clean it up. It's this one's pretty mashed, not gonna lie, but it'll do. Yeah, so let's see how it comes up when it's cleaned up, and I'll give you a full overview very soon. Ooh. So here is Purple James after a good clean. Now I'm gonna go off after this video, excuse me, and give the tub another little clean because I have missed a few spots of dirt. So if you see them, do excuse it. The brush is cleaned up alright. It's still a bit ratty. There's a bit more fluff to pick out of it. The curve tool's fine. It was fine before. There's a bit manky in there, but oh well. The tubes, I was very careful with them. Look okay. A few scuffs on that one, but I don't want to go rubbing them off in case I take any of the paint off. And the head's a bit battered. Nice and clean now. Oh, I see there's a bit of water left in there. but the brushes are pretty worn, so it won't really be one for using on floors. I even washed the hose and it came up alright. There's a few gaggly bits on it, but hoses never look clean. And here is the machine itself. Again, tub needs a bit of work still. Up here's nice and clean. That is about the only damage to the whole thing, I think. It's in good nick. The filter has been through the washing machine, and this is one of the bags that came with it. The other bag it came with was a George bag, which I suppose would fit it. Well, it does, because it fits, it's the same fitting, but it was wider, so whether that affects it in any way or not. The cord has been cleaned. It's maybe a wee bit tatty. Again, I think it has actually been well used. The guy said, had it since like 2002 or something, you know, usual blurb. And he said we're only selling it because it's getting too big for our little house. But I don't know, they've probably been using it for 19 years, or just been using it on and off. The packet of bags, the George bags that came with were from 2005, so maybe they haven't bought bags since then. But let's hear it running. Also, I could hoover the decking with that. I'm obviously not gonna. Hope that hose is whistling. I think the hose is whistling. Apart from that, yeah. I don't know if it's one of the UDS motors where the brushes will jam or not. If anyone who spoke to me for more than 10 minutes knows, I have a thing about UDS motors where, you know, the early UDS motors on the rocker switch Henrys, the brushes are always jamming in them. But all of the push button UDS Henrys I've had brushes like this long and squeaky clean motors that are still working. So I don't know if they did something to them or if I've just been really lucky, but you know, that's a good dozen UDS Henrys I've had with brushes like that, and then all the other rocker switch ones have been like that and all jammed up. So, you know, don't know. We shall see. The light one's pretty good as well, eh? Yeah, it's all in pretty good nick. So, thanks for watching. I'm sure you'll see him again at some point. Bye.